What up, kids? I am back. This is just a quick video on how to reduce the width and the height of a windrow without having to push it out any further than you want it to go. Alright, so what you want to be looking at is that ridge line. You'll see the dirt dropping. You're only taking a quarter out of the windrow itself. If it pushes out, like just saying, the dozer's pulling you right. Just keep fighting with your steering clutches. Out like it is, pull left. The dirt's naturally going to fall to the left hand side in this instance. Keep working left and right. Dropping the windrow, the falling dirt is your main thing. You start feeding out, hook it back in. This video is just to show you what the dirt's doing. As long as your right hand side in this instance is lower than your left hand side, the dirt is naturally going to reel from your windrow, your wall, whatever you're pulling down. It's going to just going to drop to your other side. Keep your blade flat. And if the levels are different, it's going to naturally flow under your tracks. Here's what you should see inside the cab. Exactly the same thing. It's going to reduce the windrow. Don't want to push it out any further. Looking for that dirt dropping right there. You don't want to be seeing it pushing out. If it pushes out, hook it back in, start again, get a blade full. You'll hear it in your dozer, it'll drop in revs. Pull out, get rid of the dirt, then come back and start from that same spot. Anyway, that's it. A few dramas, people at work not knowing little tricks like this. Hopefully this helps someone. Peace.